Our first topic is place and things. As you can see in first column, list down vertically all the companies that you have worked so far. Just write name of the company and the city or town. So list them down in reverse order. That is, your current company should come first and then the previous, then the job before that, below that. Your first job should be mentioned last. In case you need to, you may pause this video. So just write company name and city in the first column. If this is your first job, you may want to write about your internships as well. So please list them down. In case you want, you may please pause this. Okay, once you have added the first column stating your company and the city name, in the next column and the next we will have likes and dislikes about that company in terms of place or physical things, that is the area of your office, seating arrangement, how the tables were, something related to just things, physical things is what we'll mention. It is not about people, it is not about culture, just the physical aspect of it. We'll mention about the city as well. Was it, let's say for example, you come from a big city and the city that you were working was really small. You thought there is no life here, things are moving so slow. Or maybe you are from small town and you come into a metro wherein people travel for 5 hours on daily basis, which is something you have never imagined. So these are the aspects you might either like it or you might dislike it. In the same way, in an organization, let's say certain offices are not that clean. For certain people it's okay, but few of us want it very clean. Or maybe washrooms are not properly clean. It could be anything. So anything which is in terms of thing and place is what we'll mention. We are going to mention what we did not like about that particular office or city. And this is just your opinion. It is neither your friend's opinion nor your family's opinion. So for example, you were given an old laptop which was not functional, but you had no option. Or desks were really too close, or anything in particular you didn't like. So please mention that. You could mention just 2 to 3 things. If there were more, you may write, but 2 to 3 things are fine. Okay. Now moving on to the next column. You may pause in case you wish. In the next column, what you have to mention is good thing about that organization. I'm sure out of couple of offices that we have worked, there would be some good thing. If there is something bad, there has to be something good. If you look for it, definitely you'll find something good. So in certain offices, you might like the infrastructure, or about a city you really like, maybe the food was really good. Whatever you liked about that city and infrastructure of your organization, please mention that. This can be like each employee's desk were far apart and that felt really good, or pantry was awesome, or maybe small thing like chairs you had there were the most comfortable chairs. Washrooms were clean each hour and you appreciated that. Against each organization you have to write it. Just write 2 to 3 good points against each company. If you really love the infrastructure, you may add more points too. Also, write if you have worked in a small or a big city and how was the experience in that city. What did you like about that city? After writing all this, company name, city name, what did you dislike about it, what you liked about it, I'm sure you would have come to a place wherein you can clearly see certain things that you didn't like. I'm sure you could find a pattern, but if not, that's okay. What you didn't like and what you liked. Now, the last column is very important. This is irrespective of any organization. What are we supposed to fill in this last column? Out of the likes and dislikes, we got a rough idea on our own taste. What is it? If I had to give it to you, you will feel that this is my ideal infrastructure, the ideal city that I would like to live in. So, what is it? What is it that you like? A very big town, a metro, small town? What is it that you personally like? First. Second, anything specific about the infrastructure that you want, or it may be that you don't want commuting or traveling for more than 30 minutes. That also you can mention. It can be as small as AC temperature needs to be at 24 degrees or whatever is comfortable to you. You specifically want that, or you want an office which has plantations around it. So what is your ideal workplace? What is it that you want? What weather? What infrastructure can make you most productive? So in the last column, please mention it.
Congratulations for doing the first part of this activity. I'm sure you have mentioned dislikes, you have mentioned your likes, and you have mentioned the ideal thing that you want. Now, what we need to do is we need to highlight or maybe mark a star in all the three columns basis our strong opinion for those things. For example, in the dislike column, choose top 3 to 5 things for which you have strong dislike. For example, you are not interested in traveling 3 hours plus for daily commute. For going to your office, daily 3 hours travel is something that you just cannot stand. So if you have a strong opinion about it, and if you are in a bigger city where travel is mandatory, please have a star mark there or maybe highlight it. So in the dislike column, mention top 3 to 5 things, highlight them. We need those things, so please highlight them. Same we would apply in the like column. Choose top 3 to 5 out of that list that you think is a must in a job where you would feel nice about that particular office. So mark 3 to 5 things, and same we would do it in the ideal column as well. In the ideal column as well, we would mark a star or highlight 3 to 5 things for which we have a strong opinion. We want it, it's a must kind of a thing. So do that. Certain people don't have a strong opinion on what their workplace should be, but there are certain people for whom to have a productive day, their infrastructure needs to be bare basic minimum. So even if you are not concerned, do mark it at this point of time. Let's move to the next topic.